When using configurations to create different versions of sheet metal parts, you'll find that it's often necessary to change the K-factor, which affects the bend allowance based on the material's thickness. Configurations are really useful because you can easily change the material, size, radius, and thickness of your model to cater to your needs. SOLIDWORKS now allows you to easily add the K-factor as a separate configurable parameter in configurations. Here in this example, I already have a sheet metal part with a few configurations already defined. However, they still all have the same default K-factor. I could activate each configuration and manually change the K-factor in the Sheet Metal Property Manager. But let's use the Modify Configuration table instead to change all the configurations at once. Since this is a property of the Sheet Metal feature, I'll right-click on it and select Configure Feature. This brings up the Modify Configuration table. I'll expand the Sheet Metal drop-down, and you can see there's a value here on the right side, but it has no label. I'll click on it in the table and look for it in the graphics window. I know that this controls the K-factor because I specified it earlier in the sheet metal properties for the part, but the table just shows the unitless value without any really distinct labels. I'll click the All Parameters button to see the other configurable properties in the table. Now, all I have to do is change the K-factor values. When you're done, just click OK, and the configurations will be updated. I can now toggle through the different configurations, and if I click the Sheet Metal feature and select Edit Feature, you can see that the configurations reflect the different K-factor values I specified in the table.